Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Nightlight on Windows. This feature helps reduce eye strain by making your screen warmer at night. First, open Settings by press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard. Inside Settings, click on System and then select Display from the left sidebar. In the display settings, scroll down until you see Nightlight under the Brightness and Color section. Toggle the switch to turn it on. To customize it, click on Nightlight Settings. Here, you can adjust the color temperature. Also, you can schedule it to turn on and off automatically at specific times. And that's it! You've successfully enabled Nightlight on Windows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.